Welcome back to my channel again. So today it's going to be again a watercolor painting, very simple, again a beginner painting. I wouldn't consider this as advanced. Intermediate guys, you get to learn something, but main thing is the application of color. I'll discuss everything. We'll discuss about the paint, the decision I made, why I took that particular composition. Everything we'll discuss. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Hi again. So like I said, we'll be painting a watercolor painting. It's a lavender field. There are too many things that too many different types of compositions, but once I started painting this, I really thought maybe I should have chosen something else, but let me explain this why. If you look at the painting here, all these are actually, most of them are parallel lines because they go down and then they meet somewhere else. So if I keep that in mind as in terms of perspective, so I'm assuming that they're actually going to reach a vanishing point. But if not, if I had taken one vanishing point and if I had taken all from one side, then what would have happened is they're all converging at one point. So that's one thing that I should have changed, but just as sort of anyone who is out there, just a little bit different, so it doesn't have to be exactly all the time. But although I'll try to paint something different in some other medium, so at least you get an idea, not only the perspective, but here you can also see atmospheric perspective where the mountains are darker and at the bottom is like more of fog type, so that concentrate on those ones. And apart from that, what else, the other thing is, you can see at the bottom of this lavender line is little bit darker, and on top is white, but it's a representation. You have to remember that the photo reference, or otherwise if you are looking at that particular field, is very far and then they are not too close to define any details. So sometimes there are some compositions or photos or your reference photos, they start from closer and then you see all the lavender field and then it goes too far away, so that you don't have to put any details in that. So those are the things that you need to keep in mind. The main colors that I've used, magenta, not crimson. Magenta actually gave me that particular violet color which was needed. So magenta, and then the rest of the colors are already, it's there, anyhow you'll be able to see, and then it's under the description as well. So make sure to subscribe and like and share, so that like I said, it helps YouTube algorithm, and also it encourages me to come up with new compositions, new videos. So try it out and let me know. Watching this for enjoyment, so enjoy yourself. I'll see you in some